So after a lot of calibrating, I don't know whether you'll be able to even see this, but at 220 and 210 there are just the finest little stringy bits, I mean virtually invisible. You get down to 200 and it's absolutely perfect. I don't know whether you can see the strings on there, you probably can't. Maybe you can, I'll have to look at the video later. So I've dropped the temperature down to 200 and just printing off my second GHD Gold Hinge Pin. The first one is in here, and much to my surprise it's absolutely perfect. Let me just pop this down for a minute. That's the original one. Again, not sure that's focused, but yeah, and just stroke a lot, really got all of the measurements right, I think, first go. And yeah, that is the new one. So that's going to be a hell of a lot cheaper to produce than sell my original GHD Gold parts. If somebody wants that, that's great, but I can sell this probably for a £5, because people don't need the little bolt or the spring generally, because this is what breaks. So yeah, we'll get that onto the shop, but yeah, much to my surprise it's a perfect fit straight out of the bag. It's PLA as well. I thought I might need a heavier duty material, but I didn't design a thread into this. I just put this the usual self-tapping screw in there, and it grips really well, and I think that'll be absolutely fine. So yeah, we'll get on and print a few of these, get them listed on the shop.